Hey, welcome to trevlyngh GH. Right now we are in Oyarifa and we're literally around about 5 minutes away from the toll booth going towards the Bree Mountains, which is great for your morning walks, especially on Saturdays. You could even find me there walking up the mountain and back down, which is exciting. Behind me, you can see all the Oyarifa mountains, which gives you that cool breeze. Where we are at this moment in time is a lovely estate, which you can see is nicely asphalt. You've got green areas, you've got trees around, which I know you guys really love. And there is a mix of 2-bedroom apartments, 3-bedroom homes, 4-bedroom homes. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know a few things. We're literally about 1 minute's drive away from Oyarifa Mall. We're about 35 minutes away from Kotoka International Airport. You've got Pejuasi Valley Resort, 10 minutes or less up the hill in a Bree, which is just up in the mountains over there, which is great. So here we are in this lovely 4-bedroom home, which has a plot of 35 by 80 feet. Now, what you do have here is parking for at least 3 cars over here, which is great. Now let's enter into the property and show you what it's all about. So upon entering into this lovely home, and what you've got is an open living area, which is really nice. It's spacious over here. You've got a lot of light that comes in. You've got your TV up there. You've got the wall paneling, which is great. You've got your little center table there. And to the right of myself, you've got a dining table with 6 chairs, which is really nice if you want to spend time with your friends, family, and so forth. You can enjoy a nice meal conversation. To the right of here, there is a utilities area. To the left, you have a washroom area, which is great. Now let's enter into the famous kitchen, which is where all the cooking happens. And this is a really decent sized kitchen. You've got your 5-burner hob, you've got your fridge freezer, and of course you've got some storage space right here, which is really good. And you can really make a lot of use from it as well. And there's a door that leads directly to the rear of the building itself. Over in this room here, you have a ground floor bedroom. So for those people that don't really have the energy or the strength or don't want to climb stairs, this could be your bedroom and very easy accessible, and it's ensuite as well. So it's really good. You've got a double bed, a wardrobe. Now, the furniture doesn't come with this property, so it is additional, but that's negotiable. We'll be able to discuss that at a later date. But let's head upstairs and have a look. So that's all for downstairs for now. Let's head upstairs and see what else we've got over here. So here we have 4 bedrooms, as mentioned previously, and this is bedroom number 3. It's a good size bedroom. You're able to have your wardrobe in here, a double bed, side tables, you have ACs available, and you have an ensuite bathroom, which is quite a decent size ensuite as well, which is a shower in fact. So let's head back out. Over here is bedroom 2. You've got your double bed, 2 side tables, L wardrobe, and another ensuite. So all the bedrooms does come with an ensuite. Those are really good selling points. You don't need to share the bathroom with anyone. You've got a little area here, which is almost like a family area. You can chill out, make a little study out of this area, which is really quite good. And it's quite a decent size as well. Another thing that you've got is you've got a burglar-proof security bars on the windows as well. So you haven't got no worries in that respect. Now, this is a really good size master bedroom, or should I say primary bedroom. What you do have is in fact a king size bed. Now this bedroom is great. Good size, AC up on the wall, got windows overlooking here, windows on that side. You've got a nice balcony to the front of the estate itself. And then you enter into this fabulous size bathroom, which is great. Sadly guys, we've come to the end of this lovely tour, and I just want to remind you that, look, price is in the description box below and is actually going for $199,995, and of course it's in US dollars or equivalent in Ghana cedis of the time of purchase. Now all other details are in the description box below. Just want to let you know that we're 2 minutes away from Oyarifa Mall, and that offers plenty of amenities, from restaurants to cinema. These are a few of the amenities that it offers you at Oyarifa Mall, which is 2 minutes away. On the other side, walking up the mountains, which is a great experience on a Saturday when you can join a whole parade of people, is awesome. And that again is literally 3 to 4 minutes drive to the toll booth and up the hill. Now, on that note, guys, on actual development, you've got a kids play area, you've got a basketball court, you've got underground drainage system, and you've got lights on the streets. So you haven't got to worry about your safety in a day or night time. And that's all, folks. On that note, guys, if you haven't already subscribed, do so right away. And we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.